Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Glassdoor application on your iPhone. So to download the Glassdoor application on your iPhone is pretty easy. First, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store and into the search box, type in Glassdoor and search. Once you end up on this page, go ahead and tap open this Glassdoor Jobs, Salary and Talk application. Once you find this application in the search result, tap the Get button to begin the download process. Soon after the application is installed, tap on the Open button to open the app. Glassdoor is an online platform that provides information about companies, job listings, and employee reviews of companies. You'll be able to receive salary information, job listings, company insights, employee contributions, and much more with this platform. You can now enter your account with your Google account, Apple ID, or simply continue logging in with your email. So that is how you can easily download Glassdoor application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon in the next episode. Goodbye till then.